Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to schedule a post in WordPress website. So guys, if you are using WordPress to manage your website and you want to schedule a post, so hover cursor to new, then click on post and same method for page. So click on post, add your title and meta. Then to make this post in schedule, click on this settings icon. If you see block is selected, so select post. Click on immediately. Now select your date when you want to post this, when you want to publish this post. You can change time and date. Then click on schedule. Again click on schedule. So you will see this post is scheduled this particular date. It will go live on this date. So this is the basic and quick way guys to schedule a post or page in WordPress. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.